So as a continuation for the previous video, now we are learning about input function. So input function is used to take the value from the user. We'll take the values from the user and we'll do a program called addition of two numbers. Okay. So let me just write here. Suppose I just want to take two numbers, so I am taking num1 equal to, I'm writing integer input bracket open. So here I'll just enter a text, enter number1 bracket close. Now the same thing with a little bit change, I just want to take number 2 also, so I'll just keep this as number 2 num2. So you're taking two numbers from the user and you want to store the sum. You'll add these two numbers and you'll store the sum in some variable. So let me just write the logic. Now I'm just printing this sum value. Let me write some statement. The sum of num1 and num2 is, you can give the space and you can give the comma and write down here sum. So here your program has been done. So let me just run this program. You'll understand the procedure how it goes on. So you can see on left side, it is asking for the number. So I'm giving 20 and the second number is 30. The sum of num1 and num2 is 50. You can see 20 plus 30, it is 50. So same thing for subtraction, multiplication, division, which you can add. Just you need to change the sign of this and you can change this naming conventions to related to the subtraction. Instead of sum you can mention sub, so that could be better. So let me run this program again. We'll take two values and we'll do subtraction. So I'm just taking 30 for number 1, 20 for number 2. You can see 30 minus 20, which is 10. So same way you can change for multiplication, division. So one and the same thing, you need to change only the sign over here and the naming convention. So remaining all are same. So let's see for adding two strings. We can say like concatenation of two strings. So as I said you here that we are using this integer. What is the purpose of this integer and why we are using? Actually, let me show you right now. So let me just take out this integer part here and I'll just use only input. So whatever you take input, it is in the form of text. So let me take first and I'll take first name here and last name here, and I just want to join those two names and print as full name. So you can use plus operator for this. First plus last. Now full name is, you need to write full name here. So what you're doing here is when you're taking input in the form of text and that is stored